Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you how to use our rental application. One way you can use it is by downloading an empty PDF form. You can fill some of the fields here, like the property address, but it's not required. You can see how the PDF is going to look like. It's a 2-page application. I'll click submit, and here's the instant link, PDF link. You can download it and do whatever you need to do with it. A better way, I think, is to send a link to the applicant, and when they click it, they're gonna see this page and they can fill out the application. Okay, I filled the form already, most of it actually, so I don't have to watch me do that. I just wanted to go over a couple of things, a couple of important things. Okay, we ask the pet age, breed, and weight, not only if they have pet, and they have to attach a photo actually at the end of the application. We do ask if they have had an eviction or if they were convicted of a felony. This is their information. We ask for 2 previous addresses and contact information for the landlord, and also their proof of income. Okay, this is very important. The emergency contact, the car. This is helpful when if you decide to rent to them, to just plug it in the lease. And this right here, when do you plan to move? This is important because if you don't remember to ask them and they're applying it, they're thinking they're gonna move in 2 months, you can approve them, spend a lot of time and waste their time and your time. So this is why this is important here. And also, would you be interested in buying the property in the future? If you know this, there might be lease with option, or for maybe a buyer for some of your other properties. And also, why are you moving? This is good source of leads if you're an investor, and if landlord is divorcing, and maybe you need to contact them and see if you can buy their property. So here they need to attach their proof of income, additional proof of income if they're self-employed, copy of their ID, and photo of their pet. And to share with you this report, they have to enter your email. Of course, you will be emailing them the link, so they will know that they should do that, and they will have your email address as well. This part here is for the office information. If you have assistants, that's where they can note that they have verified residency, they've verified employment and all that. And all you do is just submit. All they do is just submit the information. And the tenant actually they can download their own application, but you as a landlord will receive a copy as well with all the attached files. So once they submit the application, this is how you're gonna get all the attachment photo of the pet, and a PDF form, the application in PDF form with all the information that you need. So you can save it, print it, and all that. After you review the application from your tenant, and each tenant over 18 needs to fill out a separate application. After they do that and you review it and you decide that that may be a good candidate for your home, then a good place to check their credit score and their backgrounds, eviction reports and all that is TransUnion. That's who we use and we're happy with them. I logged in and I wanted to show you the dashboard and the options you have available as a landlord. And this is completely free. You can sign as an individual landlord and it's completely free. Here's how you add application. All you have to do is just enter the rent, deposit, lease term, applicant email, and decide who's gonna pay. If you are unsure, if you're new landlord, we recommend the Smart Check Premium because of the income inside. But if you can determine the income ratios on your own, then maybe the Smart Check Plus. I would not recommend their basic check because it doesn't have a full credit report. It doesn't have eviction and it's just not the full picture for your tenant. So and we also on our website actually under forms you can go and find rental application scoring and plug in all the tenant information, all the numbers, so you can see if it just gives you score according to how we accept tenants, just to double check your decision maybe. If you are completely new and you need to know more about screening a tenant, you can go to guides, go to the new landlord startup guide and scroll all the way down to the good, bad and ugly, how to screen tenants the right way. There's a lot of information here we also listed other services in addition to Smart Move. Smart Move is our favorite, but there are others that you may want to check out. And it also a little bit helpful information about holding deposit and links to holding deposit receipt, and what kind of notice should you give tenants if you decide to turn down their application, the law, and some additional information. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to get more tips that can save you time and money.